Good morning. It's currently 7:30 in the morning. I haven't slept quite yet, but we're going to the train station. Can you take a guess to where I'm going? I feel like I have been to this place in 3 million vlogs. Yes, I'm going to the cafe. I got an iced Americano. This is my second coffee of the day. But I feel like after you gym, I need me a pick-me-up or else I'm super tired and I'm like ready to sleep. I know when some people gym, like after the gym, they can like be pumped and be up for hours. Me, after the gym, I can go right to bed if I don't have like a coffee or like do something really engaging. So let's try the iced Americano. That's good. Okay, this, if you come here, you have to get this warmed up. Or you don't have to, you can eat it cold, but warmed up is better. But we're not gonna try it first because I already have this for, so we're gonna try this. Cheers. So, the bread on it is pretty salty. There's like fresh salt flakes on top. It's pretty good, I like it. Okay, next we're gonna cut into this bread because this is what I came here for. Alright, let's take a bite. The bread is so soft and it has condensed milk in it, so it's sweet, but not too much where it's like super sweet. It's pretty good, I like it. I went and got a salad because I was getting a little hungry and I wanted something to eat, but I didn't want something that was like super heavy, so I grabbed me a salad. I love this place because like it comes in waves of how packed it is. Like sometimes it's really busy and then 15 minutes later it's completely empty and it'll be empty for like an hour or so and then it'll get busy again. I love it. Also, everyone here dresses so cute. So I love seeing everyone's fits. I'm like, okay, how am I gonna dress, you know? So I've been here for like, what, 2 hours now, I think? And I've edited 3 Instagram pictures and 1 TikTok, which is so funny because I was supposed to edit this week's video and I haven't started on that one yet. So, you know, it's okay. Sometimes when I'm in here though, I low-key feel like everyone's NPC. Because I know a lot of these people are office workers and the conversation just feels so like generic and like NPC like it feels like I'm like in GTA and they're just speaking like whatever. Also, I'm not too sure what I'm doing with my gym membership because it's about to expire. I only got it for a month because I didn't know how long I'd be here, but I was supposed to fly out today. Clearly we're not. So I think I'm gonna stay here like maybe another month or even 2 or 3. I don't really know, cause like it's so close to Japan where I need to go now. Cause I need to go to Tokyo for something. Actually, a few things I need to go there for, but I'm like I could always just fly back to Seoul and like hang out. Because I love Seoul, but I also miss Tokyo so much and I miss a lot of my friends there. So I'm like torn. I'm torn on what I should do. I don't know. What would you guys do? I do miss my Tokyo walks. I do. Like, nothing beats a Tokyo walk. I don't care where you are in the world. Don't get me wrong, Seoul walks are nice, but a nice Tokyo walk when it's like perfect weather. I don't even care if it's hot. Like literally, I just love Tokyo because I will literally go running for miles at night. I love it. We're leaving. Okay, listen. It's like 6 p.m. and I was planning on leaving at like 9, but it's okay. I've done enough work for today. Okay, I was low-key getting annoyed with my computer because every time I was trying to export this video, it wouldn't export. So like it would export to 75% and then it would just stop. So that's very nice. But I also love this building because the office on top is literally like the biggest building I've ever seen. And there's always just a bunch of people working. So it makes me feel so productive. But I'm about to go into, I think like a CU, just a convenience store really quick because I need to get some protein shakes. And I know the one around here always has like, if I buy 3, one of them's free. So we're gonna go walk and do that. And maybe I'll grab a snack too while we're out. I don't know. Okay, low-key lied. We're in, and I think it's like GS 25. It's these ones. Oh my god. These ones right here, I love. Okay, I think this is the first. Or wait, it's normally like over here, but they moved it. These ones are so good, and if you buy 3 of them, they're free. So I'm about to drink 3 of them. The lighting right here is actually so bad, but I got these 3. We're gonna drink these. I hope that I can find these back in the US because these are like literally my favorite. I'll be fine in Japan because I have ones that I like in Japan, but these ones right here are literally my favorite ones that I've ever had in Korea. It comes in this cute little bear cup. This is a strawberry milk tea. I'm inside Gong Cha right now. The lighting, chef's kiss. The place is so cute. This is a new one and it's like decked out. I really like it. Someone told me to come here and I'm happy that I did. I'm sitting in this little booth and they have charges for everyone that's here. It's so nice. Like, can we act like I do not eat this 3 times a week? Like, seriously, this is actually getting, like, sick at this point, how much I eat this. When I'm in the States, I don't eat this as much, so I don't understand what it is. Oh, it's... Oh! Okay, I wasn't expecting it to be, like, that dark. Sandwich. We're like right here. And my seat is literally in front of this window. Let me show you. Look, here's my sandwich. And then right by the window are these people outside. Today I think I got the avocado one and it had like bacon and something else. I didn't get a hash brown because the hash browns here are not that. This one is the normal egg one with extra sauce. It's pray that like I eat this and then literally run to the gym and don't leave when I go forward because I already feel it's heading into the first one. I've left. I've ate. I finished eating all of my food. I was literally getting so anxious sitting in that seat. I swear I felt like everyone was staring at me. Partially because the people outside were hungry. They were waiting to get inside of the store. So it was low-key like brutal. But we're gonna go gym. I'm going to hopefully just do like a speed walk to the gym. This is what I'm wearing. I went to go eat in that. I went there expecting no one to literally be there, and I walk in and there's so many people. So the people next to me though were really nice and they were like, hey. So it was fun. We're doing our little hot girl walk. Oh wait, there's someone behind me? Okay, no, there's not. I'm so hungry. Also, they're blasting the song that I love. It's actually a Valorant song. I love Kiss of Life. Well, during our hot girl walk, I have like another minute left. And then I'm going to go home and do some research. I didn't bring my stuff with me, so I was gonna go to the cafe. But then when I was out, it was raining, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna bring my stuff with me. So I just came to the gym to work out. What was the point of this? I'm getting snatched, that's all. Okay, here's my new Airbnb that I'm staying at. This is like the little screen. This is the little screen when you walk in. I'm not showing it because there is something on there that I feel like should not be shown, but you can control the lights, the security system, and all of that. Over here, of course, is a washer. There's no in-unit dryer. Oh my God, wait, by the door, there's this, of course, to hang up your clothes and like, yeah. This is the little kitchen area. You guys know that I do not cook, so this is like fine for me. Okay, we're gonna get into that right now, or in a minute, but here is the bathroom. Let me turn on the light switch. Girl, do not look at me right now because I look a mess. But here's the bathroom. We go on. To the right, you have this lovely shower. It's like half rainforest, half faucet. I like it. I can turn it on, control it, do all of that. There's some shower stuff. This is where I poop. It's heated and it's a bidet, which I love. We have all of this cabinet space in here. Not that like, well, I do have enough skincare actually to fill this all up, so, you know. Then we have this mirror, which I really like. It makes my skin look good. My skin looks really glowy right now. Coming out here, we have an oven. We have all of this cabinet space, like a bunch of space here. We have this chair. We have this beautiful shelf, which I love. You guys know how much I love Vogue and like reading, so there's that. Here we have this TV, which is very cool, cute. AC. Here's the bed. Here's another like closet. That over there is also another closet, like storage area. And yeah, that is everything in my place. I'm like tired, but I must I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take a little nap or if I'm gonna like not take a nap. Girl, what are you saying? I'm gonna see what I'm doing because I'm like poopy. I do have something to do later, and like honestly, not even later, in like an hour. So like I can't really go to sleep or else I won't wake up. Anyone that knows me knows that I cannot take a nap. If I take a nap, then like plans are canceled. So we're here. Also, I'm wearing my Alchemy shirt that I wear, or jacket I wear all the time. There's no shirt underneath, and I'm wearing these little green shorts I just bought. Do you like them? I just bought them. I bought them. Wait, did I vlog it? I don't think I did, but oh, girl, let me get myself together. I just got done recording. I'm about to get snacks because I have to film another soon. Okay, that was gross. I'm sorry. This is the fit. Literally same fit as yesterday. We're in 7-Eleven. There were so many people outside. I was gonna vlog outside showing me walk in, but there were so many people. I don't know what I want to drink. Actually, yes I do. I hate that I just lied. I'm getting this drink. I love this drink. I feel like it also goes with my outfit, so I'm gonna get this. I've showed you guys this one in the video where we ate convenience store food for 24 hours. I love this one. Also, I didn't post a video this week on YouTube, but it's okay. It's okay. Wait, I want a chip. If I get my normal chip that I always get, do I get this one? Or do I get something new? I don't know. It's like my comfort snack, and I'm also like, I'm mentally unwell right now anyway, so we're getting these two. Oh my god, wait, they have bananas. Do I want a banana? I don't know what I want. Okay, part of me also is like, let me get a protein shake, but no. Wait, oh my god, I tried these earlier. They were so good. These ones, and they're 0 calorie. And before y'all say anything, like, you're wearing your outside clothes on your bed. I don't have pants on right now. This shirt was underneath my jacket. I don't want to hear it. I'm not a dirty girl. You're literally sticking onto the wall right in front of me. Can you see? I don't think you can see that. Okay. My favorite snack in the world. These are so good. This drink I love. Wait, why is everything I got kind of green? Green haul. And then we have some bananas. I think it's gonna be my first time having bananas in Korea. Let's see if they taste different. This is a good size. I like this size banana. It could be more ripe, but it's okay. It's a banana. Whoa. Okay, wait, before we move on, I want to try this one because I haven't tried this flavor yet. So let's try it together. Let's go. That's tea. I'm about to go. Well, actually, I'm gonna eat this and then I'll record.